This is an unboxing video of a Dorman 604029 air door actuator. The box contains the actuator, an alignment tool, a technical support contact card, and instructions. The actuator comes out of the box with the spline shaft with one spline missing in this home position. Note there's an arrow in the case that points to the missing spline. If the actuator shaft is not in the home position, see my video episode 56 to correct that. I'll leave an end screen link to that video. The alignment tool, which is identical to the shaft on the actuator, can be used to reposition the air door prior to actuator installation. It has a 1/4 inch connection on back, so it can be used with a socket wrench or a thumb ratchet to reposition the door. Do not force the air door if repositioning it. It should move freely. Prior to actuator install, I positioned my mode air door to approximately the midpoint of the swing range. The instructions mention using a scan tool to reset all actuators after installation is complete. I did not do that, and mine is working fine. I did, however, have my car battery disconnected for over an hour while installing the actuator, and some sources say that this will cause the actuator to be reset, recalibrated, or relearned once power is reapplied. This implies a scan tool is not needed. The part link can be found in the description as well as important notes.